Второй класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание, Майский день, часть вторая. Страница 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. English, Starlight 2, May Day homework, page number 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 104. Complete the words in your notebook. Заполните слова в тетради. The answer. Bird, frog, head, bedroom, chocolate, cap, peace, daddy, mommy, hat, piano, sweets, oranges. Clap your hands. Autumn, summer, lamp, winter, spring, jeans, drum, bike, computer, spider. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 106. 106. Exercise number 1. Sing and do. Пой и делай. Here's my Easter bunny rabbit. What a funny bunny. A little tail and long hairs. My bunny is so funny. Yes, my Easter bunny rabbit. What a funny bunny. He jumps here. He jumps there. My bunny is so funny. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 107. 107. Exercise number 2. Count and match. Посчитай и сопоставь. The answer. 2 and 8 is 10. 9 and 1 is 10. 6 and 4 is 10. 5 and 5 is 10. 12 and 3 is 15. 9 and 6 is 15. 8 and 7 is 15. 10 and 5 is 15. 15 and 5 is 20. 14 and 6 is 20. 10 and 10 is 20. 9 and 11 is 20. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Use the template to make an Easter basket. По шаблону сделайте пасхальную корзинку. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 108. 108. May Day. Exercise number 1. Circle an extra letters. Answer the question. Найдите лишние буквы. Ответьте на вопрос в тетради. What is it? The answer. Flowers, birds, trees, bees, Butterflies, apples. Rabbits, it's a maple. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 109. 109. Exercise number 2. Make a crown for May Day. Сделай корону на майский день. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Sing and do. Пой и делай. Ring around the maple. Dance around and around. Butterflies and flowers. We all fall down. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 110. 110. Read after me. What's the weather like today? Can you say? Can you say? What's the weather like today? It's sunny. It's sunny today. It's hot. It's raining. It's snowing. Spring is my favorite season, and let me tell you the reason. I love spring because I love flowers. Spring is my favorite season. Summer is my favorite season. And let me tell you the reason. I love summer because I love the sun. Summer is my favorite season. Autumn is my favorite season. And let me tell you the reason. I love autumn because I love the rain. Autumn is my favorite season. Winter is my favorite season. And let me tell you the reason. I love winter because I love the snow. Winter is my favorite season. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.